fruit salad guys, tas ako yung gagawa. I will make a vlog, a Christmas special vlog na gumagawa ako ng fruit salad guys. So stay tuned.
Bakit ka nag-volunteer na ikaw gagawa ng salad? Marunong ka na
Bakit
ba?
naman hindi? Of course!
Bakit ka marunong?
Because nag-project ako sa Hele in my school and we made fruit salad. So that's perfect for me. Madali lang naman yun guys. Except I don't know if I'll be able to drain the juice out of the fruit cocktail. So I'll just need some help for that.